Here's some Requiem Mass trivia. Subscribe. Which year did Mozart's Requiem premiere? Is it A, 1775, B, 1800, C, 1785, or D, 1791? The correct answer is D, 1791. In which language are Requiem texts traditionally written? Is it A, French, B, Latin, C, Greek, or German? The correct answer is B, Latin. What element of Mass is traditionally absent in Requiem? Is it A, hymn, B, song, C, prayer, or D, liturgy? The correct answer is A, hymn. What emotion is commonly expressed in Requiems? Is it A, sorrow, B, surprise, C, anger, or D, joy? The correct answer is A, sorrow. Which Requiem was composed by Britten? Is it A, War Requiem, B, Fauré Requiem, C, Duruflé Requiem, or D, Mozart's Requiem? The correct answer is A, War Requiem. What is traditionally recited at a Requiem service? Is it A, anthem, B, sermon, C, meditation, or D, litany? The correct answer is D, litany. Who wrote the text for the famous Requiem? Is it A, director, B, librettist, C, poet, or D, composer? The correct answer is B, librettist. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.